Morning, everyone. It's Thursday, and as everybody knows, Thursday is claims day, and they were a bit of a disappointment this morning. Continuing claims were up slightly, 3.794, and that number was up from last week's. And on initial claims, we popped back above 700,000 to 719,000. Expectations were 675, and that also represents an increase from 684,000 last month. So not great, but not overwhelming either. Asia and Europe are both up this morning, and we had a bunch of earnings last night. We have Micron with a beat, top and bottom line, and that stock is 92.09, up 388 or 4.4%. Western Digital also beat 68.99, up 224 or 3.4%. We had Taiwan Semiconductor this morning, 120.70, up 242 or 2.1%. On the downside, we also had Goldman Sachs reduced to neutral from a buy over at UBS, and that one was down almost 6 yesterday, and today it's 324.53. That's down 247. CarMax also beat, but went the other way. The stock is currently trading 128, down 466 or 3.5%. And yesterday's end of quarter was kind of strange as you pair it with today's action. The rebalancing and window dressing involved the FANG stocks as somewhat of a negative, but we also had capital inflows, and so the same group is being bought again. We have Facebook up 4, Google up 21, Amazon up 18. All three of those were upgraded at Wolf Securities. So we have that. Compass priced, I haven't seen the price from last night, but that will start trading today as an IPO. All I can tell you is that Compass priced, that's a real estate firm, by the way, Compass priced at the low end of its range. And Micron and Western Digital, I know that I'm going to butcher this name, but the two of them are looking at the possibility of buying Japanese chip maker Kioxia, Kioxia. So we'll see when somebody actually says that out loud so that I can hear what it is and get back to you on that. As far as the futures, the Dow is up about 75, the S&P is up about 20, and the NASDAQ with all those FANG stocks is looking up 165. Last night we had kind of a rally in the oil. We're short. We closed near the low. So far today has been an inside day, lower high, a higher low. It did trade all the way up to 60.33. Pardon me. Let's just make sure that's right. 60.66, which would have been up about $1.50, but it has come back down and is only up 40 cents here. So, the short remains intact. It looks to me like if we break through yesterday's low, which was 58.85, we're probably going to come and test these lows at 57.5, 57.25. Let's just check and see what else is going on in the futures. And right now, as I said, we have the Energy's up a little. Gold is doing very little, up 3.5 after yesterday's move substantially higher. Silver down a couple of cents. Let's see. Lumber, new all-time high yesterday, 1,014. That's a very impressive chart, and it hurts the home builders on the expense side. And as you can see, we've broken out. I pointed this out on Sunday, this W bottom, and the breakout above 9.25, and we have spent the last 6 or 7 days up almost every day. So that's about it, folks. There is no market tomorrow, and it'll be a slow day on Monday. So be careful out there. It is tough. By the way, I included a link to an interview that was done Tuesday on the radio with Dennis Marlowe, who's our futures trader. And I want to remind everyone, if you have any interest in the futures or you want to understand it better, just get to me. I will send you information and follow it up with a call to make sure you understand it. All right, everyone, have a good morning. And again, be careful out there. It is April Fool's Day.